After sustaining a spinal cord injury, you are probably going to have medications that you have to take every day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my daily medications. Check out the video that I created about an app on your phone that can help you manage your medications and doctors and even remind you to take your pills, which is linked down in the description of this video. Let me know in the comments how you prepare your medications. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mason Ellis and I'm a C5 through C7 quadriplegic. I make videos to help you live life just like you would have able-bodied. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Almost everyone that has a spinal cord injury does have medications they have to take, and I know especially whenever you first come home, you have pretty much all the medications that you could ever think of that you would need, that you have to take, and it can be complicated to keep track of those medications. And I know for myself, I used to have a bunch of medications, but luckily I have got off most of them. And I also had shots that I had to get in my stomach the first little bit after I came home from the hospital. Whenever I first started managing my medications myself, I was basically using this pill bottle, and each morning I would put medications in this pill bottle, and I would do that every day for all the medications that I would need that day. However, I found out that that does take a lot of time, so what I figured out to do that saves time and is a lot easier is I just get this weekly pill box right here, and every Sunday morning I will fill this up with all the medications that I will need for that whole week. So that's what I'm going to do, and basically I have this weekly pill box right here, has Sunday through Monday, and I go ahead and open it up and I put this right here, and all my medications are in this little black box right here. And I start off with my calcium right here, and these wristbands right here allows me to grip onto this so it doesn't spin whenever I go to take off the pill or take off the cap, and I will pinch it like this and take it off. I take 2 of these pills a day, so I will hold the bottle in this hand and hold the cap in my right hand like this, and I will dump it in there, and I will use my thumb to kind of pull it out, or else they all come out at one time. And I get 2 like this, and then I will dump it in here and repeat that for all the days that I need to take these pills. And sometimes like this I will get more than 2, and I will pour them back in here, and sometimes they all go in there and sometimes the right amount goes in. Then after I get all of these pills for the week, I put the lid back on and put it back over here. Next up is Senna, which is my stool softener pill, and I take 2 of these in the mornings every day, and I do the same thing, but this pill or this bottle cap is a lot easier to hold on to, as well as this. And as you can see, this is not a child-proof lid, and you can request from your pharmacy to not include child-proof lids on your pill bottles, so that way it's easier for you to get off and on. Got all those. Alright, the next pill that I do is Mirbetric, and you can see that this is in like a normal pill bottle as far as the one that actually comes with the medication. But basically I use these wristbands again, and I will push down on it like this and spin it like that, and I was able to get this open, as you can see, like this. And then I will dump these out into here and put it in here, and I take 1 of these every morning. That Myrbetriq pill that I just put in there is for my bladder spasms, to prevent my bladder from having spasms. And this next pill is sulfasalazine, which works with the Myrbetriq to prevent bladder spasms. And I take 1 pill a day on it as well. And got all those. And the next pill that I take Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays is this cranberry pill, and it helps prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your bladder. The last pill that I do is vitamin C, and I take those on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays as well. So now that I got this whole week's pills set up in this pill box, I will put all these down. And then whenever I come in here in the morning, I will take this pill bottle, this empty one, and I will take the cap off. And then I will, whatever day it is, which would be Monday, I would take these out. So I put all the ones that I have to eat with food in the lid, and then the rest of these I dump in here. And then I will take it with my water, and then I will put this cap back on here with these pills that I have to take with food. And then whenever I eat, I take one of these calcium pills as well as the cranberry, and then the other calcium pill I save until after I eat supper. So I just keep this on the table or in my backpack with that pill in there. And then at the end of the day, before I go to bed, I come back in here, put this there, and put this right here, empty. And then the next day I do the same thing. And then I fill up this pill box, this weekly pill box every Sunday. So I just have to do it once a week. And that saves time doing it weekly rather than daily, so you don't have to go through all opening and closing all the pill bottles. And I've found that to be pretty helpful. Be sure to check out the video that I created about an app on your phone that can help you manage your medications and doctors, and even remind you to take your pills, which is linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how you prepare your medications, because I am interested to know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you watch another one of my videos.